out there taking care of the roof.
Oh, so?
So they just kicked me to the curb. Kobe Seafood, if you're ever in Tampa, Florida.
I just want to give y'all one.
They out there taking care of the roof for us. Putting that tarp up. Oh, they even got the tarp that matched the roof.
She got style, grace. She got attitude. So much love in her touch. Show my gratitude. And every time we touch.
Hey y'all, welcome to our channel, Follow the Hamptons. I am Lakeisha. All right, so me and the girls are getting ready to head out. Unfortunately, we are heading to a wake. A good friend of my mom's passed away. So, yeah, so anyway, we are heading to go get my mom, heading to go do that. After the wake, our plan is to go to Target, get some things that we need. We'll see. We gonna see. We gonna see how that go. We gonna see how that go. But anyway, that is the plan. So y'all hang in there. Check out the vlog. Yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you're handling that. Much love to y'all now. All right.
Working with. What you working with?
Amari, excuse me. What's the jerk?
Oh, it feels so good.
It feels so good.
So you think I did good?
You did really good. Run my hand through your hair in the morning. It's unusual.
What we just
The way your skin glows on the pillow, I can't get enough of you. Every day's a honeymoon. Let me show you. I'll pull you closer. I just wanna stay in love with you.
There's similarities.
I don't wanna fall from someone.
So I get a large or extra large?
Baby, you're my sunshine, my treasure. Just keeps getting
This is the dress I
better.
got.
Oh, so?
Baby, you're so irresistible.
Because it sounds like
Dancing in the kitchen.
Wait, did Sarah tell you one fact?
Arms fighting in the car, making up and kissing. I love every shape.
I'm sorry, I'm having trouble.
Look at the, you saw these trousers?
Oh, and they come with the jacket.
Oh, sis got all the sizes, man.
You go that gold dress she had.
Let me back up. It's close.
See, like, I don't remember what I don't have until I think
Till you think about it.
So I found out this morning. I found out.
So 2 hours later, we're leaving out of Target. I don't have anything in the buggy.
You so proud of yourself.
I'm so proud of me.
I'm proud of you too.
I didn't even get what I came in here for.
I'm so proud of you.
They wore
girl.
me out in
I'm
the
like
stove.
proud of you.
Hey, kitty.
I don't like the light to turn this way. Yeah, y'all can't come get us.
Girl, this is not your car.
Being a content creator take a lot of work.
I mean, I ain't mad at it, but I'm still trying to figure out how Miss Faye is in the car. Amari.
Because the timer is going the other way.
I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, 'cause I was loving you.
These pants always be about to make me fall.
I can let you go, baby. It's the right thing. I'm ready to know. And if the
Ooh, these ribs look marvelous, honey.
So what's up, y'all? My wife and the girls end up going to Target doing their own thing, so they just kicked me to the curb. So I end up heading out to my uncle's house. They do a little food cooking over here, seafood, so I'm over here relaxing, watching the game, and just enjoying my Saturday. Let me show y'all something. Got that premium crab meat. Those are crab pies, y'all. You ever seen a crab pie? They just came back from the store with all this crab meat. It was stacked up to here.
This is a good camera.
Keep up. Let me hold something. Uncle Gabe teaching about 401k, pretty knowledgeable about investing. So my cousin with a,
Follow me on the Single Mom Hustle so I can teach you some side hustles on how to.
That's your YouTube,
That's
Single
my
Mom Hustle.
Single Mom
My cousin
Hustle.
has a YouTube channel called Single Mom Hustle. Chico over there getting on her nerves, I guess. Out here watching the game on this beautiful Saturday.
A little different.
College
You
football.
don't have to keep up as much. Still be things to do though. So
Everything.
Jacoby Seafood. If you're ever in Tampa, Florida, Jacoby Seafood. I don't know. Hold on, say it again.
Cousin Cory, I got some skates and some ballerina
Let me see.
shoes.
Yes, you got some skates and ballerina shoes?
Yeah.
Let me see your skates. Nah, them pretty now. I ain't even gonna cap now.
Ooh.
Don't fall.
Oh.
What's your nickname?
My nickname?
Yeah, what I call
Oh,
you?
Virgo.
I don't call you no.
Oh, genius.
Okay, there we go.
Jacoby Seafood and more. So if you are in the Tampa, Florida area or surrounding areas, make sure you come check him out. I just want to give y'all a little. See if she can do that, then you can just meet all in brother.
okay, all right.
Good morning, you guys. It is Sunday morning. It is now probably about 9 o'clock. I am up cooking dinner. I'm making some field peas, jasmine rice, chicken and cornbread. Kept it real cute, kept it real simple, okay? I do have a lot to do today. I have a lot of clothes I need to fold up, put away, clean my room. Yeah, that's it. So I decided let me get dinner going first. I'm not cooking breakfast. We're gonna cook dinner, and that's what we're doing. Okay, here is the progress so far. This is my chicken I'm getting ready to throw in the oven. As you see, I cut up some red peppers, green peppers, onions, and I put thyme and some fresh thyme and rosemary, and of course my new favorite seasoning. Again, if y'all don't know about this, now you know. It's a delicious seasoning, okay? Of course, this is my little trash here, but so we gonna ignore that. But this is my cornbread mix I got ready to go. to go in the oven. I still got to whip that up a little bit. Rice going. I love jasmine rice. I don't know about y'all, but my favorite. Ooh, that top is hot. And these are my beans. Today I'm making the beans without, because I normally of course use smoked neck bones, but today instead of using smoked neck bones, I cut up some onions. I did red peppers, green peppers, sauteed them and seasoned them really good, and that's what I'm using today. So I did make these without using smoked neck bones. So we see Kanan is on, so I'm gonna go in here and watch that, drink my coffee, and get my business.